again, it will clean it up and give you a fresh start. It's creating the queue. There you go. I'm using Quemmy 2 VM, 2 CPUs, memory, and the disk 10 gig. Got a few. And there you go. Your Minikube is up and running. Alright, see, done. kubectl is now configured to use Minikube cluster and default namespace by default. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some add-ons. Now that we have the Minikube up and running, we're gonna add some add-ons. And these are pre-packaged Kubernetes features that Minikube can automatically install and configure for us to, inside the local cluster. Think of them as plug and play extensions that save you from manually deploying common services. Um, the loop that you're seeing here defines a list of add-ons and then just iterate over them running this command minikube add-ons enable, and it just enables those. The true that used to prevent the script from failing if one add-on errors out. The ingress, so let's just go through each of these add-on right here. The ingress provides an ingress controller, lets you expose services via HTTP, HTTPS with routing rules. Basically gives you URLs instead of node ports. And a little bit about node port real quick here. Let's just take so um, I ran into some issues with node port, and it failed on macOS with Quemo, and that's because if you encounter that, it's because user mode networking doesn't expose VM ports to the host. So that's why port forwarding was required. So I did quite a bit of the port forwarding. Um, okay, metric server. So an example of the routing would look something like this, right? Route map local to your service. Okay. Metric server collects resource usage like CPU, memory, required for commands like kubectl, top nodes, so something like it's kubectl top pods, um, or you can nodes, and this is also used for auto scaling. Dashboard installs Kubernetes web UI. This lets you visually inspect pods, deployments, services. Helps for debugging instead of only using CLI. Storage provider um, automatically creates persistent volumes, enable dynamic storage for your apps. Without it, you would have to manually define storage. Without add-ons, you'd have to install controllers manually apply YAML configs yourself, manage dependencies. With others, Kubernetes Minikube does all of that